if you take note, the drop down has looped to 28, and we have now the total jobs here. Once the job items have been compiled, open the PDF template. This one here. So if you notice here, it will have entries now because after it's been compiled, this part here has been compiled, it will also automatically paste the information in the PDF source sheet of this file, and also the job categories file sheet of this file as well. You need to update the image folder. We have two data sources. The job details come from the compiled data, this one here, and the images are pulled as image IDs from a separate folder. So this one here. This is the actual location of the images with a specific naming convention. There. So you need to update the image folder manually. It's not yet included in the automation. After that, you need to click on compile image IDs. So what it does is it clears the data and loops through the list and picks up the image IDs. I will make a separate video once. Okay, so never mind, it's already there. So these are all the image IDs in the that folder. So from there you can update, let's say this one here. This template now picks up the images and the values based on formulas. So if you change a drop down here to another category, so if you notice, the images and the values will also change. So from there, the PDF can be printed. You can make a copy of this template per job category and generate the PDF file from there. Thank you. So this is how the script works.